one of my rentals, and it has a gas natural water heater, and I believe it just has the pilot that blew out. So to turn it on, we got it on off, is there's this little circle right there. See it? That's where you want to turn it, and that allows you to push down on this button, okay? And that actually starts the pilot. Now the pilot won't stay lit if it gets blown out, because down in here there's a thermocouple, and that has to get hot, and that's what keeps it going. Okay, so we're going to relight this, and here, touch that. There you go. Now you have to hold the button down for, I don't know, a minute or something, and then that's going to heat up that little thermocouple thing right there on the side of the flame, and that goes up into here, and that keeps it going, so that when you take your finger off, la la, she's staying going. Okay, so that means now that we've relit the thing on the pilot. Now what you don't want to do though is you don't want to just turn it on. Okay, well it may just, you don't want to turn it on until you put the covers back on. Okay, where's the covers? What did I do with them? Okay, because a lot of times it'll flash. There's almost always a I can't do this one-handed. Hold the camera. There it is. It goes under top and then down. Okay, so there's almost always a cover and then a secondary cover on these things, and that is so that when you turn them on and they flash, because they always do flash. Okay, now we should be able to turn it past there to see to on. And did you hear that whoosh, guys? That's a good whoosh, because that means it's going. All right, that it is. So that's how you light a pilot on a gas stove, a gas water heater. It's pretty much the same principle on a gas stove too. Although most of them have an electric starter, this is an old one. There's no electric starter on it. It has to be manually lit.